Alright, so we got a leaky Schrader coil. Liquid line, R22. Schrader coil removal tool. I'll show you how to use it. We're gonna have to make this quick too. We're gonna take this off. Screw this on. Once you got that screwed on, you want to make sure your cap here for your micron gauge is tight. All right, push that in. Okay, keep constant pressure until you feel it click. Then you're going to slowly loosen up on your pushing this in, right? We'll slowly turn it counterclockwise and lessen the pressure to get it out. And that pressure is going to push that Schrader core out. So all you got to do is turn it. Close that off. It'll be good to take it out. I ain't never done this before, so bear with me. It looks like I didn't get it all the way. Let's try it again. Open this back up. There's the click. Maybe we got it that time. Let's see. And there it is. There's the old Schrader core. There's the old one, and here's the new one. Make sure this spring goes down in the hole. Put that back in there. Screw our cap back on. Open this back up, and we're going to push down, and then we're going to put that new Schrader core in there. Voila, it's that simple. No more leaky. Now we're gonna hook up gauges and check charge. It's my first video, so Hopefully I didn't do too bad. That's how you swap a Schrader core. You're gonna have some loss of refrigerant. It's de minimis. And if the Schrader core is leaking, system's probably gonna be low. So, but all right guys,